number 1. Kanunsus Topraklar. In the 1940s in Turkey, Davut, a fearless coal miner, leads a modest life with his family. When a tragedy strikes the mine due to the neglect of the wealthy owner Malik, Davut's father and many others perish. Despite Malik's threats, Davut seeks justice and encounters Malik's daughter Gulfem on his way to report the incident. Initially at odds, Gulfem, who is strong and defiant against societal norms, begins to admire Davut as she learns about his struggle. Malik, wanting Gulfem to marry a wealthy mining boss, offers Davut a deal to avoid imprisonment in exchange for doing his dirty work. Davut agrees to dismantle the corrupt system from within. Despite starting with hatred, Davut and Gulfem's relationship transforms into love, and they decide to marry, symbolizing hope and change amidst injustice. One thing you will definitely love about this series is its cast and their chemistry. Though I wished for a bit more screen time as a couple, but still the actors were amazing and I enjoyed the series very much. Number 2. Akrep. Akrep is a gripping series that weaves together themes of betrayal, curses, love, and motherhood, portraying the intense struggle between two women shaped by their past. Perihan, Demet Akba, abandoned her daughter, Ferda, Evrim Alasya, 40 years ago to marry a wealthy man and escape to a better life. Years later, Ferda finds her mother, but their reunion doesn't lead to reconciliation. Instead, it ignites a fierce battle. The series explores the complex dynamics of their relationship, delving into love, betrayal, and the powerful bonds of motherhood. As they confront their pasts, their story unfolds, reflecting the wars they fight in the present. This series offers a mesmerizing and unorthodox storyline that stands out from typical Turkish TV shows. It's dark, deep, and non-traditional, making it a thrilling watch. The compelling characters and intriguing plot make this series a must-see for fans of quality Turkish drama. Number 3. Kagethev. In this gripping drama, Cihan and Aylin's seemingly perfect family unravels when their daughter Cemre suspects her father of having an affair. Believing his lover is Inci, the maid's daughter, Sema confronts and kills her. Cihan discovers Cemre over Inci's body, and despite attempts to save her, Inci dies. The real affair is with a TV show host, but Cihan and Aylin's priority is to protect Cemre. They bury Inci's body, hiding the crime. Inci's mother and Cemre's brother Mert, her secret boyfriend, are devastated by her disappearance. When Inci's body is discovered, the detective assigned is Aylin's former lover. Cihan and Aylin are bound by their dark secret, determined to conceal the truth. This series captivates with its unique storyline and surprising twists, diving deep into societal issues like infidelity and family dynamics. Helin Kandemir shines brilliantly, delivering a standout performance. Fast-paced and engaging, it's definitely worth watching. Number 4. Seyyar, Peddler. Yasin Cenca, a modest peddler between Taksim and Tepebashi, dreams of opening a restaurant with his partner Çiğdem and sharing his grandfather's beloved pilaf recipe. As they near their goal, Yasin's past resurfaces, threatening their future. A pivotal night forces Yasin to confront SWAT, unlocking a cascade of unforeseen events in Beyoğlu's shadows. Caught between ambition and the city's darker undercurrents, Yasin navigates a complex web of relationships and ambitions. His journey intertwines love, redemption, and the pursuit of dreams against Istanbul's vibrant backdrop. According to me, this series hooks you from the start with its compelling storyline and well-developed characters. The interplay of love, danger, and personal choices keeps you eagerly anticipating each episode. Number 5. Kertenkele, the Lizard. Kertenkele, a captivating Turkish TV series, blends action, comedy, detective work, and drama seamlessly. The series centers around a skilled thief who outsmarts the Istanbul police, getting tangled in an improbable love affair. Despite Commissioner Ansal's relentless pursuit, Kertenkil continually slips through his fingers until a pivotal encounter alters their dynamic. Accused unfairly, Kertenkili's life takes a dramatic turn, leading him from daring rescues to an unexpected role as a neighborhood imam. His clandestine identity as an imam shields him from detection by Zehra's brother-in-law, Commissioner Ansal, although close calls abound. As Kertenkili's feelings for Zehra deepen amidst the complexities of a fake marriage, the series crescendos with intense confrontations and poignant sacrifices, illuminating the depths of Kertenkili's character and the consequences of his dual existence. Before we dive into the next series, if you are enjoying this video and want to explore new and exciting Turkish shows, remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more fantastic content and the latest in entertainment. Number 6. Şahane Haytim. Şahane Haytim chronicles the rise of Şebnem, an underdog-turned-socialite who marries wealthy businessman Onur to secure her place in high society. But her past, marked by bullying and a criminal history, threatens to unravel her newfound status. Amidst her struggles to protect her family and maintain her image, Şebnem becomes entangled with Mesut, a captivating homicide captain, while facing off against Onur's ex-wife Melisa and his formidable mother Azel. As Şebnem navigates the complexities of her past and present, her life becomes a gripping tale of ambition, betrayal, and redemption amidst the glitz and glamour of Dubai and Miami. If you ask me, then I must say that this series delivers a refreshing take on Turkish drama, blending excitement, humor, and inspiration with the spice of romance seamlessly. While the initial episodes may feel slow, the series quickly picks up pace, offering captivating twists and turns that keep viewers hooked. Lead character Şebnem embodies the modern, determined woman, navigating challenges with resilience and ambition. With its dynamic storytelling and compelling characters, this series promises an engaging and unpredictable journey ahead. Number 7. Omar. It is a story about a young boy named Omar, whose life turns upside down when he falls in love with Gams, a relationship that his conservative father will never approve of. Gams is a middle-aged woman who returns to her old neighborhood after her divorce. While struggling to start over her life as a single mother, she finds an unexpected comfort in Omar's love, who is much younger than her. We will witness over time the struggles that Omar and Gams will try to overcome, their fight against the strict rules, and the conflicts that both of their families will go through. But the many obstacles will turn Omar and Gams' love into an impossible one, if you like the. Number 8. Misaffer. Gage's new life begins after a failed suicide attempt when she convinces doctors she has lost her memory. Police detective Erdem offers her a place to stay with his family until she recovers. Erdem's children, who have lost their mother, welcome Gage warmly. Despite feeling overwhelmed by Erdem's family, Gage has no choice but to stay. Over time, Gage's past catches up with her, revealing hidden truths. Meanwhile, Erdem harbors a secret that, once uncovered, will devastate everyone. As Gage and Erdem navigate their intertwined lives, they both face the consequences of their hidden truths. Ultimately, they must decide whether to embrace new beginnings or be consumed by their pasts. Misaffer is a heartwarming series with standout performances, especially from Bughra Gulsoy and Hajalkaya. While it was cut short after just 5 episodes, it managed to leave a lasting impression with its touching portrayal of found families. Despite its brief run, the series is worth watching for its unique story and exceptional acting. Number 9. Kadar Baglari. Kerem, a successful heir to a prominent winemaking family, and Sevda, a law student, share a captivating encounter at Kerem family's Montenegro vineyard. This meeting leads to an agreement to meet again a year later. However, destiny takes an unexpected turn, reuniting them in Istanbul, where Sevda works as a maid in Kerem's affluent family's household. The stark contrast in their social backgrounds creates conflict, but their undeniable love persists. Despite Kerem's family's disapproval, they are determined to surmount their class differences, embarking on a journey to live their love without limitations. According to me, Kader Baglari impresses me with its undeniable chemistry between Ayça Ayşin and Serkan Çayoglu, as well as its picturesque locations. While the storyline appears somewhat familiar, it promises a compelling love story and engaging drama ahead. With its talented cast and intriguing narrative, this Turkish series has captivated many viewers, including myself, and has the potential to become a beloved favorite. Link for Kader Baglari with English subtitles is given in the description and comment section. Number 10. Kalp Ateşi. Kalp Ateşi is a Turkish adaptation of a Korean drama, Doctors, with a touch of originality, mixing love, drama, and medicine. It is a story about a girl named Eylül, a troubled high school student with a painful past, finds solace with her compassionate grandmother in a small Asian town after being expelled from her last school. Her life takes a transformative turn when she encounters her teacher, Ali, who is also a successful doctor. Ali's influence helps Eylül evolve from a rebellious troublemaker into a caring medical professional. They develop a deep connection, but circumstances separate them. 10 years later, they reunite as successful doctors in Istanbul, facing challenges in their personal and professional lives, including a jealous colleague and a complicated love triangle with a fellow doctor. If you enjoy medical culture Turkish series, then you must give this series a try. Number 11. Kaderimin Oyunu. The series Kaderimin Oyunu is about the story of a strong woman in her 30s named Asiye. Asiye had a difficult childhood because of her stepmother, but she found happiness in Jamil, whom she married at the age of 17. However, over time, the birth of her children Nergis and Umut, and the difficult living conditions, cast a shadow over Asiye's happiness. For a better life, Jamil leaves her and her two children behind, and establishes another home with a wealthy woman named Helene. Asiye, who is struggling to survive alone, meets Mahir, which changes her fate. Due to its gripping storyline, emotional roller coaster, and superb performances, this series is worth watching. Number 12. Bir Koku Gun Isigi. Elif, a successful self-made woman, plans to start the adoption process when she receives a shocking call informing her of her husband Hakan's sudden death. To her surprise, she discovers that Hakan had a secret daughter named Guns, who is nonverbal. Feeling betrayed and devastated, Elif struggles to connect with Guns as her world crumbles. Amid this nightmare, she crosses paths with Firat, a businessman searching for his missing sister, and their destinies become intertwined, setting the stage for unexpected twists and turns in their lives. This series is also available with English subtitles. Check the description or comment section to watch. Number 13. Ruzgarli Tepe. Zeynep is a smart, well-behaved, exemplary daughter of the wealthiest family in the town where she lives, while Halil is a young man who lost his mother and father at an early age and lives with his aunt with a grudge to avenge his family. These two young people who live despite their families will find themselves in an unthinkable blind knot. According to me, this series has too much misunderstandings, coupled with a lackluster plot and an unconvincing portrayal of Halil's intense anger, appear more like a psychopath seeking revenge on non-threatening women. But the lead actress demonstrates potential with her strong portrayal of the character Zeynep. Number 14. Ashka Dushman. This series delves into the complex dynamics of love and aversion within a family led by Bahriye, a mother with a strong disdain for men. As her daughter Insi, played by Bas Meral, inherits this animosity, a chance encounter with Dr. Uyghur Gur, portrayed by C.M. Yityumolu, sparks an unexpected and transformative romance. The narrative unfolds the improbable love story between Insi, shaped by a lover's upbringing, and Uyghur, leading to a compelling exploration of familial attitudes towards love. For me, this series has generated intense engagement, with its compelling plot and standout performances. Especially the performances of Nazan Kaisal is highly praisable. The link for Ashka Dushman is given in the description section. Number 15. Diga Yerim. Set across two continents and cultures, this Turkish series delves into the intertwined lives of Miriam and Isivit, whose passionate love succumbs to cultural clashes and separation. Despite their woes and a court's division of their twin daughters, fate reunites the sisters in Istanbul years later. With identical faces but divergent paths, the sisters orchestrate a plan to reconcile their estranged parents by revealing long-held secrets. Against the backdrop of Black Sea traditions and Balkan influences, the series weaves a tale of love lost and rediscovered, highlighting the enduring bond of family amidst cultural divides and the power of forgiveness. This Turkish series, a lively blend of chaos and fun, captivates with its cultural clashes and comedic moments. Despite its age, the story's timeless appeal shines through in its 23 episodes, making it a worthwhile watch for those seeking light-hearted entertainment. So that was the video, friends, but if you are interested in watching more Turkish series with English subtitles, then click here.